6 charitable organizations in the Coastal Bend will be the recipients of this year's Christus Fund that helps provide more than $260,000 in donations to charitable groups. The Christus Fund awards grant funding to nonprofit community organizations that align with their work with Christus Spohn's mission and values. Every 3 years, Christus Health evaluates and reports on the more pressing health needs of the region, and then it decides which nonprofits need the help most. For example, Mission of Mercy got $75,000 today.
Without the support of Christus Spohn and their partnership, we would not be able to provide free medical care and assistance with prescription medication to our patients in the Coastal Bend.
Spohn is a partner of Mission of Mercy. It gave the nonprofit $5.4 million in all this year.